I'm going to take the vase with the Play-Doh inside. The Play-Doh is going to make it stay still. They won't shake. And I'm just gently putting it inside. Make sure that they don't, they're not too close to each other, because that's going to make them, when you light them, if you want to light them, it's going to cause them to melt each other. So you want them to be far away from each other. And here is our vase.